What is up, freshers? My name is Kanye Miles, Kanye Kanza, Kanye Sinamo, Kan's Child. And welcome to the Fresh Pod. But of course, I'm not alone. I'm with my co-host.
Hola, wafethu. This is your boy Tsutumano Square. You know, Slet Wumnadi. And I'm also not with Mars alone.
Yeah.
Again. Fetu, the Correct International.
V. What's up, beautiful people? It's Pindi Black, your host with the most gassy girl with international dreams. And you know how we always do it, baby. Bigger, better, fresh, and always on point. And I'm here with the freshest to ever do it.
Period. That's what my guy.
And then let's see
We were literally arguing about this before we got on camera.
Yeah, man, I'm in
Yeah, how is she, though?
And then let's see Salepoto, to be honest.
So, yeah, what's up?
Ish.
As Kurumen, man.
Yeah, guys.
What's the update?
How are you feeling, Kala? Dog. Can't just ambush people. Ask them, how are you doing?
Oh, Bafun was.
Yeah.
Mina ya pila. How are you doing?
Well, I'm doing okay. Having a really chill day. Hey, I was so frustrated because I was stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic,
bro,
and it's
that
not
traffic,
nice to be
dog.
stuck in traffic. And also, it's a thing of, imagine being frustrated as a passenger. Maru driver, you know, feel like being stuck in traffic.
Yeah, I know that Uber drivers don't.
Yeah, but other than that, I'm doing okay. And how are you, Kanye Mars, baby?
Me, I'm wearing
I'm innocent.
They
They want this girl everywhere.
Calm down, guys. It's me. I'm wearing hard decisions to make in this life, but
Yeah?
we're pushing through. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, she's definitely pushing through, and she's
Yeah.
pushing all the boundaries because my girl over here.
Yeah.
Whoa, Briga.
Anyway, do you guys want to give us like an update, on the Goiko story?
Actually, that thing has been so frustrating because now we don't know what to believe anymore or who to believe, especially up there, even amongst the social media streets, whatever's going on. Because the last time we had spoken about it was the chat was around Uguti. The principal of the school had actually been summoned to take the DNA samples, and
Yeah.
apparently he did. Only to find out that he did not.
Allegedly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Also, that's
So,
alleged.
Yeah, it's alleged that the Minister of Police said that they took the DNAs with the principal,
Yes.
which later on they found out they didn't, which was like, my guy.
How do you feel? Like, if it was,
No, honestly though, if it
it
was
was your daughter.
you in that situation, I mean, of
You
course
know
it's
the human
corruption,
justice.
in it, but like also like how would you feel if it was your daughter, who was in the situation and you did something like this?
And it's actually so crazy because according to the medical people that have been just investigating this whole thing, but see, it may have not been the first time that Umtwana law has been assaulted. So also because none of the DNA samples that had been taken actually match with the DNA that was taken from her, it actually could have been that there was actually no body-to-body contact, but an object might have been used on her. So imagine how insane that sounds, bro.
That's so cruel.
Like imagine how insane
That's so
that
cool.
is.
I saw also Penduga and they were talking about the fact that how do you even as a rapist,
Yeah.
how do you have feelings for Mtano Mngane? How does
7-year-old.
how do you even
How
like
do you even think of doing that to
how
a
do you think of
child?
doing that, bro? For as old as you are and you'd like look at a child and you feel like, yeah, like
Type, yeah. No.
what goes
weird.
through your mind? Like, are you that sick?
Oh, bruh, like that's intense.
Some people
That's
are weird out
intense.
there.
And it's really unfortunate with the system yet it's failing us, South Africa. And
Yeah.
we're gonna
Nabanta-
protest, we're gonna do all of these things, but at the end of the day, it's really up to the justice system
Can I
Yeah.
ask a
and
question?
what happens.
Do you think she'll ever get justice?
That's what I'm saying, Guti. South Africa is really corrupt, man. It's really unfortunate. It's really, really unfortunate and
Yes.
disheartening, Guti. This is what we're living through.
Yeah.
The people that are supposed to be protecting us and giving us justice, are the ones
That are
for and
defeating
supporting
the ends of
yes,
justice.
they defeat literally, bro. Like they don't care at this point.
So, back to my question.
I don't know. At this point, I really don't know. At the rate that we're moving,
Wena?
I'm not sure.
Well, I hope justice gets served. I really do hope justice gets served because you remember with back then with the Uyinene Mkhochana case, a lot of people just felt like also that was going to just end there, like on the socials and stuff. But I absolutely appreciate how everyone in different communities has just been gathering up to just cry justice for Ukwekwe and a speedy recovery to her mother, who was recently involved in a car accident. So a lot of people believe that was foul
man.
play. I'm just hoping it's not, because this thing just keeps on getting worse and
Like,
worse.
we
understand, like, now it's like
dragging also now.
I'm watching some crazy low budget episode of NCIS dog or something
Low
like that,
budget
like
is
or
wild.
CSI or something.
Yeah.
But I
Yeah.
really do hope justice
gets
does
justice.
get served. And I think this is this should be a periodic piece for South Africa. Should we get justice?
Yeah.
So that anyone who actually thinks of committing such
things
evil
twice about it.
thinks again.
Think
bah.
again.
You
don't even-
there's by cancelling there's no longer any bail for a rapist or whatever. So if you're charged with rape, there's no bail.
Might be because I heard people wanted to like do a petition for what do you call it? For people that rape to get what is it? Death penalty?
Yeah.
Instead of like getting a sentence, they should just rather.
But also, it's a thing of, I think that whole scenario has not been implemented in South Africa because there's a whole loopholes in terms of justice system. You understand? So you could be, well, you
Killing
could be-
innocent people.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
understand.
That's what I
Because
wanted
at
to
the end
say.
of the day, there's a lot of people even that are official up there that don't mind defeating the ends of justice.
Yeah.
Or maybe accepting a bribe just because I claimed Uguti Uneo assaulted me and I'm the daughter of a certain minister and we actually paid to make this thing go the way we want to. So I think the death penalty is actually a chat that we could have. However, I don't
because
think it could be really practical in South Africa, considering Uguti
Amanda.
also our system on its own. It's very
Yeah, it's
So,
very much.
Yeah, so if by we Salentole, surely some innocent people will die.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
I mean, there's people serving 12 years in prison.
But I mean,
for
if
raping someone
if-
and they're not
if
even.
If that's what you're saying, I mean, there's already people rotting in jail and they're innocent. It's the same
You
thing,
get me?
really.
Yeah, but then when actually here we are speaking about the death penalty thing.
Yeah.
Jail and
There's two different things.
yeah.
But I mean, you're still serving as a life sentence.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the difference? You're still
No,
gonna
but
die
a
at
life
the end of the
sentence
day.
is
You're gonna
only
die
20.
in
So
jail.
a life
25
sentence
years,
is
isn't it?
practically 25 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
We understand. So if they say you're serving 25 years, you could be released
In 12 years.
in maybe even before that, depending on
On
how
your
good your
behavior.
behavior
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
In inside. So
Giving a rapist
25
patrol is wild.
Yeah,
Parole, getting out on parole is
So
wild.
also with the whole in South Africa, we don't even have like the proper technology like they do in the States to be able to maybe declare whether this person is innocent or not. Because you know when you watch these different series, these crime documentaries and these series, you always get to realize and notice how the technology is so much more advanced than
True.
ours.
True.
So I mean in South Africa we don't even have a simple thing such as VAR.
Bro, when you enter the police
VAR.
station,
So
it's
technology is still back there.
real.
You know, so
That's
Yeah, my
true,
question is,
actually.
why wouldn't light detector, whatever. Why
Yeah,
don't
like
they use
detector
it?
test.
no, the thing is also in those cases, Yabana, something that's man-made is not 100% like accurate or certified. So even a lie detector test is not 100%. It's probably like 97.
Even if it is
It
97,
counts.
it's still accurate, but still, they can still do something with those results.
You can
being-
manipulate it.
They
Yeah,
can
I
that's
can
the point
basically
of
buy the person who's handling this
exactly.
thing.
They can still
Aye,
dollar
Buffett,
things.
This chat, if una sirelexile sikhuluma ngayo because uzothi ukhuluma lo akhulume, so let's just move on.
But I
then,
hear
yeah.
you. I hear you. With as much as we can ever talk about these things, we're not empowered to change anything. With as much as we can come with solutions to, I don't know.
We are
man.
just giving
You know,
our
I don't know. I don't
opinions.
know. You know, I'm just saying. You know, we can only do so much.
We can only do so
For-
much.
for-
But I'm glad that we're having these conversations so that even the youth, when they are watching, they can be educated on things like these
Yeah.
and maybe get like a
Yeah.
whole certain like perspective on what's going on around us. Because
Yeah,
not
not
everything
like
is
next things like abololita.
not
and
everything
them.
is dobe.
I'm joking. Jerks, just jerks, people. Not that deep. It's not that
Mas.
deep.
Okay,
It's not that
okay.
deep, guys.
Okay,
Anyways,
On a lighter note. On a lighter
did you guys
note.
attend any events this past weekend?
Yeah, I did. I
Okay.
attended the Mzansi 4x4 challenge, and oh my gosh, guys, indoda iback.
Yo.
Oh.
Uzwile shaft.
I
Indoda is not an iPhone 13. Indoda is iPhone 13 Pro Max.
That's
That's crazy. Umuntu okhoma nge-iPhone, come on, imagine.
Guys,
like,
space ifoni yami
like,
ikhona lapha.
imagine,
You
like,
know? So
must come
I
out
don't know.
there.
I attended that event. It was so amazing. Over
Yeah.
1,000 Bakis were there to participate in the challenge.
Mm.
So we were out at a Formula K race in Benoni
Mm-hmm.
to witness who is who in the zoo and who's the greatest beast of
Is
them
that
all.
where you got your new boyfriend?
So
Understand.
well, no.
No, okay. Anyways, yeah.
No, that's not where I got my new boyfriend. But no,
Oh, you
it's-
You're
What did you
deviating.
Can
You're
you-
deviating.
can you know? Can you
Please,
know?
please,
No.
please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that was cool. Yeah, no, actually being there actually made me realize that this 4x4 thing in Mzansi, it's
Yeah,
a thing, you know.
it's a thing.
There were all sorts of bakis that you could think of, and yeah, no, that was great to witness. I was doing media coverage there
Oh, that's amazing.
with me and the radio station that
Yeah.
I work with. So yeah, that was so cool to see them. Tuda was performing there. Babalwa M, Raf Gam. Oh my gosh, absolutely amazing. I got to see Raf Gam perform "Take Me to My Love," play "Take Me to My Love" for the first time because I love that song. We took care, my dog. You understand?
No
Just
matter.
kidding, just kidding,
Yeah.
just kidding. But I
Afro
got
House.
to
The
I got to
house-
witness
house
him play that
song.
song for the first time, and oh my gosh, it was too lovely. It was too lovely. So
Yeah.
that's what I got up to over the weekend.
Sabo,
Bombastic
you were
side eye.
sleeping, my guy.
I mean, I was sleeping as always. Nenga birthday, I was sleeping.
Oh yeah, it was
So,
his
yeah.
birthday,
Happy
guys.
belated.
Did you get up to anything?
Yeah?
I
you
did
do
wish you a
any-
happy
did
birthday.
you-
No,
I'm
I
so-
didn't do anything.
Oh, shame, man.
I'm a simple person. When how was your weekend?
I-
When I busy peg, I need to pay phone.
Guys,
Need to
ish, every day it's a day, yeah.
Yeah?
But I went to the Gota Fest event that took place in Newtown, and it was it was okay. It was okay. You know what I noticed actually there? They literally did not have a lineup, right? So the main point of the event is they sell kotas, like different,
Kotas,
like every type of kota you can
Bona
find.
enye engaka.
And amakota khona like ayadura, like for no reason, like to be honest. But anyway, what I noticed, they like literally the lowest price was
150.
like 120.
120.
Yeah, they went up to like 240, bro.
Into engaka,
imagine
ikota
that.
engaka. Wait,
And
ikota
like
engaka.
I tasted one there. It was not that deep, bro. Honestly though.
It's not
It
worth the
wasn't
price.
that deep, no. I just felt like they overpriced them because obviously it was that type of event, and
Event,
people are
sure.
like obligated to not obligated, but you know, they're gonna buy obviously.
So when you'd prefer ikota yasekasi 20 rand.
Definitely, most definitely. I feel like amakota wala Josie of like also they don't know how to make kotas, bro. The
Yeah.
best kotas you can ever find are in Kasi, dog. You can never go wrong.
That's
Lamakota
true.
bawayenza la,
Emkhukhwini lapha.
yeah, emkhukhwini, bro. Namafutha
Facts.
ngcolile.
Where there's questionable hygiene.
Yeah, when
That's
there's
where you get
questionable-
the best kota.
Otherwise, no. Even namakunya wakona, but we're not there. My
Yeah.
point is, so there was Hot Sticks Mabuse. Do you guys know Hot
Yeah.
Sticks? He was performing with a band, Lapayan.
Oh, that's amazing.
They
bro.
literally had 4 people on the lineup. Was Naledi, Apiwe. They had who's the guy Mawelele, and then after them was Hot Sticks, Mabuse, and the band, and then they also had Dali Wonga and MT. That was it.
I saw you speaking to MT my goal.
Of course. Oh, and Oskambo as
Absolutely.
well.
I'm sure
Oskambo as well.
ufisa ngathi nawe ubukho.
Yo, bro, because that's my goat. So
Really?
I saw you speaking to him, and I was like,
Hip hop, you know me,
Wena-
hip hop. Hip
I'm a
hop.
hip hop head, so
Manje
Ufunanda.
ngizwe I heard Ma saying ukuthi ukabza Hopton Lekompo.
Yeah.
Which song is that?
I was still can I please come back to that?
Yeah.
I want to finish this topic, right?
yeah.
So my point with explaining the lineup, right, is that I'm noticing that there were few people on the lineup, but the event was amazing. You know, the people were very interactive with the performers, the artists and stuff. So now my thought process is, do we really need like their lineup? Yeah,
No, you
Uncle is
don't.
there, Scott
You
Mapuma,
absolutely
Leme
don't.
Crazy to have a
You
successful show.
absolutely don't.
But
You
at the
don't.
same time, the event ended at 8, right?
Yeah.
But I'm still saying, Uguti, we don't need a lot of artists
You don't.
being on the lineup. You
You
know,
don't.
You
yeah,
just
to
need a
fill up.
few,
Yes, you just need
Yeah,
a
you
few.
don't.
Lento yokuthi manje you trying, I don't know what
The
you're
whole
trying to do. You're trying to
industry.
attract people to come to the
Oh.
event. You don't need to put everybody on the lineup to have a hot event. You
Actually,
understand?
that's very true, because when you're speaking like that, you're making me think of an event that happens in the East Strand called Isande Shandis. One of my homies hosts it, and it's one of the biggest events in the East Strand.
Yeah.
And he never has a lineup. He never posts a lineup. But you
That's wild.
usually find the likes of Abo Oscar Mbo performing, there,
Performing,
Mahu,
yeah.
all these big artists that you can think of, Abo Cowboy, Abo Scott Mampuma, but he never actually puts out a lineup. So people are there for the vibes and not the lineup. So
Exactly.
people go there,
Exactly.
they don't even
Mara-
know
My
who they're
point
going to
exactly,
see, but
yeah.
they're selling the vibe, and it's always so packed. Those tickets are always so sold out in like maybe 4 days.
Yeah.
But they don't even know who's coming. So now that you're saying that, it sparks that interest. You would say, nah, man, you don't really need a Coachella lineup.
It's not
Yeah.
everywhere, because ezinye izindawo need a lineup so that abantu bazoza. Because now, okay, mina personally, I wouldn't buy a ticket ungazi ukuthi kuzaba.
Now the problem is, when people host events, do you have like a specific concept that can draw a specific community of people? Because, for instance, there's an event that also takes place in the East End called Picture Perfect. It's a photography themed event.
Yeah.
So it happens around photography. So it's street fashion. You get there, you take pictures in the White Mountains in Benoni. So if now people love that concept, they will come for the concept, irregardless of who's coming there.
now I
So
get
even
it.
with the Kota Festival, people appreciate the concept. So they come there
Yes.
for the Kotas,
Exactly my
the food
point.
culture.
Yeah,
exactly.
And whoever comes there is just a bonus. Empty. Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. But also, that's in Joburg, that's in Pretoria, you know. Go Mpumalanga, go Limpopo. Maybe there is a need for, you know, to
Be
like
line up.
to be a lineup, you know. There's this
Yeah.
event called NYE that happens in Tabiseng in Mpumalanga every year on the 1st of Jan. It is packed. And at this point, I don't even think it's because of the lineup. It's because of the vibes and knowing ukuthi there's going to be people, it's going to be great. It's going to
Yeah.
be, you know, people are going to be chilling. Kube right, kube mnandi, and kuyagcwala, guys.
Yeah.
You know, so maybe after all
It takes is a word of mouth.
It's not about the lineup.
it's not about the lineup.
Yeah, umuntu makutshela ukuthi lapha ziyabuya, you wouldn't even care about the lineup ukuthi kuzabani kwenzakalani
Yeah.
kwenzakalani. But then I still stick to my point.
Ukuthi when you wouldn't go to an event,
You're not
if
knowing.
you didn't know, ukuthi kuzabani.
Maybe it plays a role to some extent,
It
but not a
does.
big one.
Mhm.
Not a big one. Now you're gonna fool us. Mang Mang is coming when you know
And then they
exactly.
don't
You didn't
come.
even- You didn't even pay deposit for them to come there. Now you're telling us no, they're pulling
Yeah.
up. You're lying. Stop it. Yeah.
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 I mean, I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, the Kota Fest is really dope.
Yes.
Yeah.
Music events.
There is.
We do.
Yeah, everything is about is surrounding music. Every event that is hosted is surrounding music, the performances,
Yes.
I think actually it's a point because now our main the focus is on the artist, right? With these
Yes.
music events, the focus again is on the artist, you know. My point is I feel like we're a bit over music events.
Yes.
I hear his point, you know, maybe coming up with better concepts, like, you know, like I'm an
yes.
event, maybe sneaker event, I don't know,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
For the
Yeah,
sneakerheads.
something different, you know, that, yeah.
Yes, we
true.
do.
Not
We
the
definitely
music
do.
event,
No.
whatever.
Yeah.
But people go there to groove, so you're fine.
Yeah, if I want to groove, I'll go to Magubenjalo.
Yeah,
Major
go
League is
to-
playing
Yeah,
there.
not
Kabza
everyone is
there.
there.
One man
Budget
it's
for
at Piano Hub,
Magubenjalo.
you know.
Not everyone has a budget for
Hey,
Magubenjalo.
vele, yeah,
Anyways,
vele.
guys, like we've been talking
Yeah,
about
let's
this.
go back to my question.
Yes.
Lea
Kabza
Kabza on
hopped on to
Likompo.
Likompo.
Yeah.
Z also hopped on to Likompo. So what was the question again?
What's the name of the song?
I'm not sure about the name of the song, but I do know that Kabza hopped on to Likompo, which is amazing and brings up the question, guys. We don't really have time, but my
Billy
point in mentioning that was that do you think Likompo has a potential of overcoming Piano?
Yep.
It will never overcome Piano.
No,
It
might.
will never. Me, I am
I
saying that
beg
with
to
my
differ.
chest.
Yeah, oh.
Okay.
I beg
We're
to
listening.
differ. Nimzwile umafitso otheni. Angisho
Yeah.
Likompo is coming up.
It's coming
Likompo,
up.
like ngathini 80% or 70% of Lekompo artists unsigned to record labels or
Yeah.
whatever. They get their money straight.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure about the point I'm making, but yeah, they get their money straight, ne? And their music is played all over. Ngithini mara mina?
It's invent.
But you get me.
I get you. Nyana.
Yeah, lapha, yeah. But then Lekompo, yeah, in the next upcoming years, yeah,
Do you think it will
because it's a-
outshine Amapiano?
Yes.
Bafethu khohlwane mina shem, and I will say this with my chest.
Look at the difference. You remember they at EQ's event
Yeah.
when they played Amapiano. Like I want to be Bajaiva, yes. When should pull through?
No, but it's also.
Wait.
Okay.
When should pull through?
Cool.
What happened?
I mean, people love Shebeshit dog.
Everyone
It's
was there.
Shebeshit.
No, wait.
And
apart
Shebeshit
from-
does not even do
wait.
Likompo. He sound like it's not Likompo.
It is.
It is Likompo
Is it?
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is
Okay.
Likompo.
Apart from him being Shebeshit, Likompo, like just the genre.
I was
on its
gonna
own.
respond and say that it's a new wave.
Yes.
You know,
correct.
That's what I'm saying.
obviously
The next-
people are gonna
Correct.
love it. People are gonna go with it. They're gonna run with it.
Mm.
Obviously, you understand.
Mm.
But remember, it goes back to the conversation here last Guguti. Is it gonna last? It goes back to the conversation.
Yes.
I don't want to bring this guy again up. Like we're talking about him again. You know, it goes back to that conversation, Guguti. There's a new guy. We're listening to the new guy. Does that mean the other guy is
Yes,
dead
he's
now?
dead.
No, the other guy is
Exactly
not
my
dead.
point.
He's still there. You know, it's just that there's a new wave. People are loving the new sound. But the question still stands. Do you think that it's ever going to overcome Amapiano?
Amapiano.
Yes.
Absolutely not.
I certainly don't think so.
So it's 2 against 1.
Can it get to a level Amapiano? yes.
Shafla,
Yes.
pick me up, dog.
Yeah.
Yes, it can equally get to a level
Amapiano.
Amapiano. ne?
Yeah, yeah,
However, I don't think it will ever surpass Amapiano because Amapiano it's I don't know, the sound is enabling for a variety of other sounds to be bred and understood globally under it.
Yeah.
So especially with regards to the whole thing yeah language, because Likompo it's mainly catered
In
for
Limpopo.
in a
Sepedi,
Pedi language,
yeah.
in a Sepedi language. So maybe that could be the reason why it gets maybe restricted. However, I cannot deny that 2025 Likompo is gonna have a fantastic year.
Yeah.
Especially
Even
with the likes of
2026,
especially with the likes of
2027,
Abo Shandesh, Abo Snowflake SA, which we had a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah.
No,
I can mention a
Ushebeshit and
lot.
Tribe shone the light on it last year. However,
Not
I
Tribe,
personally
though.
feel like Ushandesh and the likes of
Abo
Abo
Karis,
Snowflake
Maso.
have started to live the culture and actually bring some sort of relatable thing to it. Because I mean, look at how Shandesh looks like. She also looks like a baddie. So she also walks like a baddie. She dresses like a baddie. So she's adding that clean touch to it. She's adding a clean touch to it. Other
My
than
sister,
it's
what are
being
you saying
related
about
to-
Likompo artists? Are you saying that
no,
they're not clean?
a lot of people were relating to the music as music was a taxi rank when people started consuming the music.
Okay.
That's real. A lot of people were relating it to it.
Nah,
So people
facts.
were just
like
like,
when Amapiano, when Amapiano came
yeah.
up,
So they were just like,
Everyone
give me no
thought
local
Gender
taxi
is a
rank.
taxi rank.
That's why
Okay.
you even find the likes of Umakadzi saying, I started singing at a taxi rank because
Yeah.
that's where the music got consumed a lot. So people couldn't associate it to the cleanliness of what's consumed to be clean in the industry. So now with how you know how Ushebeshit dresses, Nike manje.
Yeah.
Now they're bringing the culture to it. Abu Shandesh and them are now starting to live
That
the
life,
culture.
yeah.
So now everyone is flocking to that whole thing. So now it's starting to become a culture more than just a genre, which is why it's gonna last. However, I do not think it will surpass Amapiano because dog.
Mina bafethu
Oh,
ngicela ukuveza.
piano.
I remember also like when piano came through in the game, like people were like, that
Boom,
music is
versus
too ratchet.
piano.
Exactly. They were like,
it was
we
like,
miss
I
house,
was
bring
out.
back house.
No.
Yeah, and it's the
Bring
hip hop
back
bruised, I'm sure.
Was it
Yeah.
not Chrome? Wait,
Hey, hip hop.
was it not Chrome?
No.
No, it was
They compete in the house Amapiano.
Yes, when it came
It
through,
was-
so
no,
people
it
were
was
like, yeah,
competing
bring
with
back
Go.
Yeah,
house,
that's
bring
what
back
I'm saying.
house. And then now, because Amapiano started becoming a culture in terms of now how people talk, how people walk, how people dance even.
Yeah.
Because even these songs have their own dance challenges and so now when it starts becoming a culture and something someone can easily consume,
Exactly.
and then it's going to the world, dog. Imagine manje piano,
Exactly.
even Sesialwela na Botavido.
So they're branding it.
Kabanga,
They're putting a nice
yeah.
package
And
into
also-
it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I
And
hear
also,
you.
the language barrier in music is not a real thing.
It's
It's
not a real
not.
thing.
because
It's
I can tell you now,
not.
the people in Ghana, the people
Yeah.
in Egypt, in Dubai, they don't hear what Scott Mapuma is saying.
Yeah.
I
Bro, I
wanna
don't
man.
hear half of the
But
things
when
about
they
Yeah,
they sing
but
it.
they
I don't
sing
hear
along.
half of the things about Davido are saying on
the
their songs, but I
language-
jam to their
Yeah.
songs.
The
Yeah.
language
You know?
barrier is not a thing.
Mina Shem, going
Yeah.
back to our last conversation about the Pire Maron remix, David, was it David or who?
It
I
was.
don't know.
Mina,
Yeah,
you
ma.
feel it, Shem.
So that's basically what we're saying. So yeah, man. I mean,
Guys, can you
the piano is coming along nice.
Mina Shem,
And I absolutely
Again.
appreciate. I absolutely
Can you please quickly,
appreciate.
sorry to cut you. Can you please quickly go through the new releases? The director's killing me out here.
Yeah? Let's get straight. Hey.
It's killing me. Any new
So, yeah.
releases you want to talk about?
Mina, I want to talk about the Hit a Heist EP, which
Oh, with
features a lot of
Utos, Lima
artists
Crazy.
yeah, about
Devon
the-
Gogo.
Devon Gogo.
Yeah. Have you
El
listened to
Chapo.
it?
Yes.
Is it dope?
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's so.
Okay.
That's the okay. Yeah.
You listen to the trending songs.
Okay. Now you're
Pindi?
painting me to be the bad person.
No,
Yes,
I haven't listened to it. But I've seen some PR about it, and I think they're probably gonna cook
Yeah.
up something nice.
Yeah,
I love
the
it when the
cover art
community is coming
is
together.
amazing.
Yeah.
You know, I love it when they're coming together. However, I think one of this whole thing, guys. Okay, we'll talk about it, but we'll talk about it.
Yeah.
Boom.
No, we're gonna
So-
come to it. I just want us to round up this conversation.
Oh,
Yeah. Bozonke also Bozonke Forever, the album.
Posthumous album.
Yes.
Fishing a
got
poster.
out. And then also DJ Y Vino and Gule 541 also dropped in
Chapino,
album.
was it?
It's an album, Ichapino. Amazing. It's a Skidongo album, guys. Oh,
Oh, the queen, the
Please.
queeniest Gija.
listen, take your time. I
Uh-huh.
am telling you, it's amazing. I literally, it's
Thinking,
amazing.
Like when wait, let's be honest. How do you feel Molaleli Skitong?
Bro, I feel good. I mean, like good music, guys. I'm a music
Good
person.
music.
Eh?
We are jive.
So give me jazz, give me skidongo, give me
Yep.
R&B, give me
Yep.
hip hop, give me contemporary, give me new
Do
soul.
you jive?
If it's a good song, oh my nigga, I won't lie to you.
Do you jive? Nah.
Yeah, I will. I do jive. Yo, footy
Mention one
with this
song
Gija
you know.
skidongo.
Bro, it's not always about dancing. Me, I jive. You know, Sha Kombonyana there when I'm listening to Skija, Skidongo.
Yes, Skidongo.
You know, it's not about that.
But
though.
me, I'm a
It's
music
the
consumer.
sound, bro.
Me, I'm a music consumer. So I don't have to always when I'm listening to a song.
song.
Melenki Bele Pes
No,
Betafula.
bro.
Nah, but if I appreciate the song for its goodness,
Yeah.
then that's okay. I won't even lie and say Ingoma ito ingekho dope.
Yeah.
You know,
It's not
I
about
won't say
dance
that.
only. It's about the sound progression, the elements that are included.
production overall,
everything, the production,
mastering,
exactly. It's not
everything that's
only
put it
about that.
together.
So, but Toma, it's
I mean, I just like where's the groove? I don't know which teacher it was, like JHP Freshers. One mixes Kitongo and what was the song? Was it Ingoma khona bayidlale, like
Skidongo and
and
wasn't
was
it
it
Birimarung?
Birimarung or-
Birimarung. That
Can't be
Skidongo and Birimarung mix
like Jahambisa?
perfection.
But you all are gung 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 gung. So, yeah,
Perfection.
it has.
Amaka,
like,
you must stop listening to songs only at groove.
I mean, I
Even
only
when you're
listen at
cleaning,
songs.
you must
Yeah,
listen.
let's listen to
Awa.
new songs.
That's when you
But let's
appreciate
play
music.
music, manje.
You know.
No.
So, but coming back to the chat that I wanted to just njengoba bengifuna
Yeah,
siround up
to
with
just
this whole
close it up.
conversation. I'm really proud of how Tyler and Bobby Cooper backed those two brands.
Yes.
Like for me, it kind of sparked up this whole conversation. I've just been so mad at how the artists that we were promised us to come in studio to have a chat with them don't come. So for me, it just brings in this frustration. When will Amapiano artists, to be precise, start taking themselves as brands seriously? Because it's gonna come to a point where
DOA.
the money, the songs are not selling anymore. What will you have to sell beyond the music? Because every week, njengoba bengisho last week, every week there's gonna be someone that's relevant in
Yeah.
terms of the music.
Exactly.
But now when the music is put aside, what do you have to say for
Yes.
yourself? Or what do you have that's standing on your name as a brand that you can be able to sell?
Exactly.
Because these people don't want to come to radio interviews. They don't want to come to podcasts. They don't want to,
interviews,
you know,
whatever.
imagine even right now, me and the radio station that I work with are trying to cook up something with some Amapiano artist. Hey, Mara, they've been delaying to come and shop with us. They always just like trying to be busy. And this brand deal could guarantee them so much of a strength in terms of positioning their name in the industry so
Branding,
that other brands can be able to say, hey, we want to work with you.
Yeah.
Hey, we want to work with you. Because at the end of the day, it's not only about the music, because this industry is not just conventional to the
It
point
goes
where
back to
Yeah.
what Swiso said about PR and whatever, them not knowing the industry and understanding everything and everything. So, I mean, I
Yeah.
if I said I knew
Speaking
why,
about branding and relevancy in the game, we have a guest with us today. Was once a hit maker, Lamadonna Mauba, Kapadia.
yeah.
Kuningi, guys, and we are gonna have a conversation with him today. He's with us. Welcome, Miano.
Abantwana ba-Uber. Dako.
Guys, ngiyakhuluma. Ngibase bathi nginika ama-side eye. Yo, guys.
Welcome,
Miano. Hey, abantwana bama.
Mina ngicela ukuculela just 10 seconds.
abantwana abarong abantwana amadumane
Yeah.
bayayithatha
Ish.
bayayifaka emakhanda
Bayuza.
yabazi vele
Abantwana bama.
mamela labo amarong
Side eye.
Feder. Miano, grand.
angishap man love njani
Hey, no, ngiyaphila. No, it's good to have you in studio today.
yo I'm happy mfethu kunini like sizilindele into ezikanje
Ne.
futhi idala man sizilindele into ezikhala
Mfethu,
Abante-
kanjani, you've been in the game. How is it
in
that
the game but you know the game how is it ngithola yazi yakhuphukela yayehleka ngithola namhlanje kutrenda lo kusasa kutrenda lo sixabana nawe yazi impela wena sokusabotage ngalo you understand it's a game you
Oh,
know,
enhle
njengoba
kunjalo enhle.
yeah.
yeah it's a game fit it's a movement ngithola
I'm gonna come back to that, right?
Yeah.
Please give us a little introduction of who you are, what you do, and where you're from.
shesho bafethu izopoemiyano bathi mkhenza kasha mkhenza thethi zowaphi egoli ungafundanga bathi basop phuma amazinyo endoda wayaphi ungafundanga bathi yalazi udaba bafethu umfana sewayithi lona waziwa ngosicelo esikhosana obviously ningazi ngomiyano ke
Hamdebele, we can't.
yeah umndebele yeah
Shout out to you.
umama
Yeah,
Umndebele.
so
where
are you
Ubaba
from?
uMxhosa.
Oh,
Oh yeah,
Okay.
from White City yeah. Msekhenza, mkhenza kashawa abathi athethiswa muhle noma ngagezanga.
Yes.
Yeah man, yeah I understand yeah, ile way yeah.
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 So, how do you get into the music industry?
Yeah, njobo konke engizoyikhuluma ngiyazi abantu ngeke bayithande maka it's end of the day it's a truth I understand.
Yeah.
Thina masicala kule piano understand boku hectic mfethu.
2019.
Yeah, 2019 2018 boku hectic bongeke uvele ucule noma ubani. Dala sibalanda. You understand? Dala sibalanda like ngifike like example ngingalanda bo njengomuntu engisebenza naye manje abo Killer Punch before ngilanda abo Killer Punch ukukhona bo DJ kunjubani producer lo wenzini Killer Punch ingoma abo Vusinator you understand yeah abo Vusinator understand dala siba approach abo kungekho easy maka manje because of TikTok guys yeah siyabonga ukuthi abo khona something ekwazi ukufaka abantu entweni understand because for thina
So, kahle
difficult,
kahle music
like,
into kudala wayiqala nedi it was difficult to make it breakthrough.
like you know like dala ngayicala ngithola bongumuntu odlala ibhola yawo
Okay.
So,
like mina ngibhore abantu abarasa emaklabini namanje sayenzeka sinokuyibona nani ninokuyizwa
Abarasayo emaklabhini kanjani?
like umuntu abe MC you know amanye ama MC yeah
Okay,
understand
so you
like,
don't like
unnecessary.
MC.
you understand
Okay.
angeke MC uma phuma uyacula namsinya MC yawo
Yebo.
badanyiwe
Kanjani?
like you
MC
understand
kanjani
like
ku-performance?
nyamo you
Does that
understand
make sense?
you understand
Brigade.
nyamosha angeke uDJ adlala ingoma ene vocal nami ngithi MC nyamemeza phezulu kwalo vocal like ngisese MC sengilwa nalo muntu oculayo ndakekho ngalosikhathi
Yeah.
you understand so yeah like into yangibhora ngathi ayi mfethu ngenza kangcono into leku wathi hayi thatha imali kabheka mamela bengingazi nami ukuthi ngacula but yeah ayenza le
So, ubana guy chance and like in this music industry, the first person
yo and
lo wakufaka
and
straight
like
into it.
ukubonisa industry eneqiniso yo ayimangantshela la ke believe Precious the DJ
Precious the DJ.
yeah
Really?
yeah Precious the DJ
She gave you the opportunity.
mamela umuntu wathi mntana yithi bheka ngokuzwe ukhuluma lapha ucede kula nalo bhuti wathatha imic wakhuluma kayi1 like you making sense
Yeah.
ngicela ukuthi mangena uthatha imic mina ngifaka ivocal I'm going with isigubhu phela
Yeah.
you understand
Yeah.
ipiano vele besasazi ngepiano vele ngakabi nevocal you
Yeah.
understand so yeah kula ke vele ngithatha imic ngithola ngenza into zami and azange ngenza into eyenza wonke umuntu I came with the gimmicks into ezintsha ngithola
Yeah.
the mode la khona attack yazini yeah ngithola unayo lento le kula abantu bangibona khona from ePanyaza. Yeah, in Panyaza Soweto.
Yeah.
Mina bengithi-
Uye umuntu wanginike ichance wathi amdala. And emathi abheka namhla yazi industry mfethu. Abo Precious mina bengibheke yena ukuthi is the superstar.
She's gonna be a superstar.
Yeah, like serious. Ubuke intombazana yokuqala engiyibona i-DJ yami. You understand? And
Especially
DJ
school.
piano, you understand? Uyintombazana engiyaziyo ku-piano yokuqala. Ngiyababona bayavela asilo sikhuluma ngabo maka but yeah, that girl khohle.
Yeah.
Yeah, number
So
one.
Manje, she gives you the opportunity to MC while she's playing, right? So then take me to making a song, recording, going to studio. Who do you talk to? How does it get there?
Oh, ingoma ukuze siyenze like njengoba ngisho like ngithi ngihlangane nabo Precious like ngikhuza umuntu uthe mfethu sithengile mfethu unasigasela nje sifuna ukumamela umusic esize ngayo, understand?
Yeah.
So ngahlangana no Kamudi yangithola nge-MC ya njengoba ngisho ukuthi Precious wanginika i-chance ngithola nama Friday una lapha sithi mfethu ubani wena into nami uzala mfethu like uyenza ukuthi abantu bathenge nani, understand? Awufuni ukunika i500 namabhiyanyana 6 pack ngithola every Friday, please pusha namanye amachita lawa sipanayo la, you understand? So I was like obvious ngisekasi ngihlele lokushini ngumahlalela unayo imali yamahala, you understand?
Imali.
Ngajoin, understand? Yeah, kula khona ngizoqala understanda ngithola music because akunamuntu kahle kahle umuntu ongifundise like ukulandelela i-beat, like you understand? So like ngazifundela for mina ukumamela like ngokumamela ngikude ngithola. Yeah, so like into engazifundisa nothi uyazi ngithi ngimamele uzinto engiyi-understand yabo. So kula khona ngikwazi ukuqala uku-understand ama-beats any DJ odlalayo as long angadlali vocal ngakugibelela lo beat ngathi elami, you understand? So kula kamuntu yazongibona khona athi ntwana Ntswembu ntwana mina ngicava usemithi yangicava ngathi mina usemithi ngicava mfethu yangazi umuntu mina ngiyidlalela ibhola ndodo uzongitshela
Wena
ngama-producer.
boyinjoy.
And emathaphe ngasikhathi leso umuntu bengifunda naye esikolweni eDalwonga, Peter Soul no Dalwonga.
Damn.
Yeah, Peter Soul, the music, yenza music Peter Soul. Yes, Peter Soul bokuye umuntu bakafunda eDalwonga. Bengiploma ngicabanga boku DJ njalo ngimgwaka. Into yasirasela kanti lezi zakhe every day mina ngifuna sodlala ibhola sigijimise ezinye izinto yabo. Kumuntu engimamela ya producer ngilale sofeni ngivuka into yakhe ngilalisa ngihambe yabo. Kanti angazi ukuthi maybe into yami le, understand? So yeah, ngithola kula khona ngizibona khona ngo music kanti mina bengazi ukuthi ngiphila nabantu aba music nani and then kula ngicela khona abo Peter Soul abantu abaningi ukuthi bangifundise uku DJ bangigroundela bathi
How?
angeke baba
Abasafuna
sifundisa uku DJ yazifundela ngithi you nabo abanye
Bayeka
bayafundela futhi bafuna nje shawa amabhodlela abantu lababona kunzima
Basekasi
futhi yazi ekasi kuhafu kanjani ukuthi
Shaya impapho ungazi.
bayahlanyela abangizingeni gcina sengihamba nabanye abafana baseDube like Mfulo Dube
Yeah.
abo Khabu abo Nesta DJ Nesta
DJ
like,
Nesta,
yeah.
yeah.
Yangithola sengihamba nabo kumuntu okuka ama bass bin abo bani babayenza ama session ase Orlando lapha eKhawash konje bakusaduma ubani uRhino saduma uRhino yangithola ya kushama amapata Ntswembu abo konje DJ bani samamela abo ijo City Light
City Lights, yeah.
Abo- yeah samamela abo konje bani le Godman leli elincane le ngoma yi Summer Days like yeah yangithola bengimkukela ama bass bin la Godman bengafuni next like yeah like mina ngikhule like ngikuki bass bin ngifuna ukufunda uku DJ yangithola nginento lokuthini mangizosebenza mahala ngiyazi mangizobacela bazokunyenzisa you understand kula khona ngihlekana noToto yangithola Toto athantwa nami into le easy ngithola kumele kufunde angifundisa leso skill lezo ukuthi imath into le ngithola into ezinjalo nabo angifundisa iskill nyana angafunda ka2 ka3 bosaduma visual DJ ke lapha angifunde ka2 ka3 ngibona ukuthi mina ngeke ngidlala ngama laptop mina ngifuna into le yawo
Ufuna into serious.
ngale mina ngihambe ngingasaqini ngibuyele ebholweni kanti ubuyela kwami ebholweni ngidlale kuphosha mdisi uma 1 year then after lapha ngibone kahle ukuthi nebhola la ngibisela mina ngifuna imali nalawo business sitshela sithengana nama Cox ayadabuka kumele futhi ngenze iplan futhi siseka ikolonto le
Wangena ku
qala
music
phansi
industry.
mina kula ke ngiya ku industry music, you understand? So yacala lapha icheni yami ukuthi ukuyazini ya
So
wase ngihlangana noKamudi yathi indoda sami sekusemithi kunesigubhu enosemithi sike samela guys yo
Serious?
athi useJozi bafethu ngisaseJozi ngiyabuya simmele ngo2 yazi sirekhode ngoba nama Uber ngo8 o'clock
esekuseni or ebusuku.
ebusuku
Nifika
mota
isikhathi
peka ngifike ngo2 emini
6 hours yonke.
mamela
Fortunate ndoda yi 6 hours.
beka sihleli simlendile Yeah, sinalanga lonke. Kamuthi lokhu busy angijutha dambe kuyeza.
Wena bosongalile at that point.
Bheka ngalanga ke mina nami ngimlindile uyeza.
Yeah.
Yeah, nami ngifuna ukugibela lelo beat. Nami
Uri-
amasifika beat lama Uber nakhona masilithola ekuliwe na. As before sikhona nakhona kuliwe like sisalwa like semithi angafuni ngebeat athi la ka DJ Farm. Akula kamuntu ngiphela nokamuntu bane relationship akule kasile one. Amtshela straight to time ndoda bheka la. Mangabe sicula udoti siyaphuma sihamba uthatha ibeat lakho yamnikeza. Tisizame something. Kula khona sinika khona ukuthi ngithi nginike ichance manicula udoti niyaphuma. Kula khona senza ama Uber khona. Kula semithi yathi khona hayi. Ngeke ngisamnikiza ngithola. Ya ingoma sayiphusha ngathatha i-video ka Killer Punch no Besto. Killer Punch lo ngicula naye manje no Besto baba jive bukiwe abantu abadumile vile ngalezo inkathi ukujive bo. Before abo Killer Cow yabukiwe abantu abajive isiphutsha nani nani. Ngathatha ivideo mina into lezenzeka manje uthatha ivideo edit sayiqala kudala bo ngayi edit ngafaka ama Uber ngayibona seyidume ubuntu khala lonke wonke umuntu yazi le ngoma le bangibuza abantu engihamba nabo yazi le ngoma le amazi umuntu ucula la ngibabheka abazi uthi mina ngithanda ngaya ngimazi understand ngithaya ngimazi umuntu akhona maka end of the day ngiyazi uthi yimo kamuthi ya phezulu kwamabhatla atala ehlanyela umngane wami hayi tala jive phezulu kwenzima tala basichi
So manje ni recording ngoma, right?
yeah
And then yaphuma.
yeah
Right?
yaphuma ingoma
So now you guys start getting gigs.
yeah
Was that a normal life for you?
yeah for mina kahle njengoba ngishilo ngithola mina bengigijimisa imali mina umntwana okhula like emkhukhwini ngikhulisa ubaba
Bengakanani mayingena?
Understand.
Askis ukukhathi bengakanani mayingena?
imali I to be honest masiqala ugiga nje becele basinika basibiza lapha ebuntu kral beqala ukuduma yini in the event le benokama umphela no Killer Cow i-rough dance basinika boma 5 or 10 lapha but mina bengenandaba nemali because
10K?
mina bengifuna yes
Ningaki?
like besi2 besi3 imkamuthi usemithi
Okay.
and ematapeka besiqala perform at that time understand so bese understand ukuthi more performer they can give you 10,000 20,000
Yeah.
thina sazi ukuthi i-crowd yahlanyela thina sifuna ubona abantu basijabulela understand kula sihlangana nabo kamumphela bo Killer Cow understand yeah sa perform nandani maka but imali besingabheka ngangabo besibheka ukuthini sijabulisa abantu we having fun
Mara yona
and so on.
bengena na.
Imali bengena mara yazi bokuliwa
Begliwa like in
Yeah,
terms of
like
what?
to
So
management
benilwa ngani?
understand
Kanjani, so?
like to management abo besinomuntu engithola osincedayo nani nabo othatha ingoma athi uzoyiphusha ngoba like mina vele nami bengilezi eziphaphile abo lokushini ngiyabuza phela sikho sihlakanipha ngaleyo ndlela yabo
Yeah.
but sometimes ukubuza iyanceda yabo.
Yes.
Mina ngiyengaba nenhlanhla okuthini sesathanda abo AKE angithola abo Casper yabo but hey like unokubona ezinye inkulumo sometimes like makuhleli maka la ngithola amanye ama artists like namanye abantu abahleli namanye ama artists yazi kule industry kunjani yabo ngihamba nawe celebrity mina ngazi kakhulu wena ucala ukufika ndla khona umunye umuntu ucala ukufika sazi so khuluma budlapha athi hey yasazi school fees khona basazobhadala school fees kula khona ingidla khona yabo kuthi okay yini school fees ngizobhadala school fees ngingafunda
yes.
ngibhadale
It's the
kubani
industry.
like isikolo nje bese
Yeah.
mina ngibhadala i-school fees
Yeah.
understand like ngilandelele hayi kunamuntu ongitshela ukuthi yini school fees yabo until the day ngihleli nabo AKA ngithola anyambuze like ngibe nesibini ithi AKA yini school fees wahleka wangihleka wathi intwana yami like ngithanda iquestion yakho because akusunoma ubani ku-industry omusha obuzayo really,
Uzoyibuza le
understand?
question.
So
Yeah.
into ekhulunywa ngayo kusho ukuthini like uzosayina like sizokunika i-360 deal angithola
Yes.
it's a contract ekusukuthini sokushaya kuya understand yeah
But
thina like
360
into
particularly
eningi
means that they own everything.
everything yes
They
yeah
own you, right?
yeah even negama lakho yeah manga yeah
Everything.
negama
Yeah.
mangabe igama uzenzele mangabe uyabhayiza bayakunoka mangabe Instagram ubayekile bakuvulele yeah bakuseya
Yeah.
this wathola ama artists amaningi namhlanje anga own ama Instagram I'm lucky because ngasivulela Instagram yami understand into zami azange ngavumela ukuthi bangivulela ama page understand like this one njengoba ngisho like mase ngibuza and nangapha ngibuzo abantu ami naye une business like evilakazi ngithola bathi buza umuntu une business ukuthi yini 360 deal understand obviously likely no anto wami une BNB evilakazi ayingamlanda ngathi hayi manti iza nginenkinga athi yini ngathi hey bangitshela ukuthi u-industry 1 2 3 bengihlala naye wahlanywa anto wami athi ihlala lapha phansi kula ngibona khona ukuthi okay this thing is serious understand futhi la ngizobhayizisela
Yes.
kula sengiqala ngilandelela khona sengifunda ukuthi yini ukulicense ingoma understand into ezinjalo kula ngibona khona ukuthi ingoma yethu licensiwe but asitholi next ingoma abayitholile imali kula sengilandelela khona mangilandelela bayenzani bacrasha mina bayenzani hayi bheka sithilo
Imali,
yabheda
imali, as
ngangithola hey semithi bheka sikunika ama interview ma-interview njengoba sikunika ama-interview kanje bheka sikrasha lo ngusemithi usemithi yena ka-understand understand angeke ngiblame understand
yes.
yesa nathi ngingali nosemithi ngingakwatela amajita understand baba-understand ukuthi like la siyakwazi ukukrasha ngomunye umuntu understand ukuthi hayi Miyano ufuna ukuba big kinathi sonke because hey Miyano you understand
Yeah,
but
uzenza
end of the day mina ngibheka ukuthini abanye abantu bathenga imoto angeke ithi ingoma yethu number 1 sidlula abo Casper bobani banemoto banezindlu bangathina siyawalk silandwa every day bakithi
Mfethu, mana ingoma eyi-one.
come
Ingoma
on
eyi-one, is it
angithola
possible?
like sengilwisa lento lezi ukuthi man yangithola sobabona kahle ukuthi hayi lo hlakaniphile why lo yangithola sekula lento le ukuthi oh lo
Obvious,
uyayibona imali
yeah.
ukuthi okay lo kunemali
So had you already signed?
angisayinanga
a specific deal
nokusayina
before then?
nix kuyenyalo angithi sabangijelile
So
ukuthi
in
hey
management,
kuso
Kusolana.
in this
Podcast yakhe akhuluma
conversation,
ngayo.
You
in this
understand?
conversation, who's the management?
i-management enye out uthatha ngithola like
Oh,
umuntu
okay.
bakasimanager kuphela understand
And that time, all of you guys were not well educated in terms of the business industry.
bese ngi-understand angithola ukuthi i-industry nje leso angisho ukuthi yabo like sifundile sabuza ngithola nokama udiphela naye bakanechance yokufunda i-industry bakazi ulwazi kancane ngithola but not ngole ndlela because naye omunye umuntu wasinceda before skip ingoma nama-uber uye umuntu ongazise abosambro abokhapaso nani before abothathu bafika basitshela nani
Yes.
ukama udiphi because ubhuti wakhe umika soul Hadi mapebeza, do you know that song is? You understand? Yeah, like umuntu bakasifundisa like understand
They were the pioneers of piano.
of pianos. Yeah, we didn't know ukuthi like
Uthi khamba.
Yes, understand.
Bona
yeah.
babona ifame ukuthi
Understand.
hayi,
Yes,
yazi.
ukuthi yazi siyaphambili kenzwa kanje. Yes, understand. Yeah, that's why ngisho ukuthi
Piano came in.
yes angithola that's why ngisho ukuthi yabo fana nabo Killer Punch nabafikile nabo banezikandali zabo mfethu ukuthi eish ngazini bachayisana namabonda ngezinye indlela ukuthi nabo babangazi understand that's why ngithi izinto like mina ngiziblame mina I don't blame anyone
blame
to the industry angithola
Yeah.
la ngiziblame mina ukuthi yazini yabo kube ukuthi like ngangena ngazi ulwazi that's why nginoku-advise abantu kuma interview ukuthi guys yes sawuthanda music sawuyenza nesinabona music nabona usenza into ezigrand nani nafuna ukungena ku music but
Study the
check
business.
study guys
Study
angithola
the business.
business this thing angithola hamba esikolweni so uma uhambe esikolweni namunye umuntu ubona ngathi asisangana bona usitshela lo ngoba uqulile ama-uber sokutshela umuntu ngesikolweni uwubani understand
Yeah.
but sometimes iyanceda bafethu like this wathola amanye ama-artist today anezindlu aney'moto anani you understand because balene kuma-mistake wethu angithola you understand so like, that's why I'm not blaming anyone.
So,
So
linking,
speaking about-
linking all of that, linking your first hit single that you broke out with to the industry to your second one being Uloch, your second hit single.
Lodge, yes.
Yabo, Anisho, your second song, your second hit
Hit,
single.
yeah.
Now, are you now making that move? Get in terms of
Yeah,
our
obvious.
finances, now the
Obvious.
moves.
Yeah, obvious. Vele lo jabo ya siyenza nabo mapolisa ngithola. Kabs yabo. Kumnandi
Scorpion
everything
Kings,
ngithola.
ne?
Yes, even like mina ngizokuzwa ba mapolisa what mapolisa ay mina bafitha ngizitshela.
Oh, uyazi leyo.
Ay mina ngizitshela iqiniso mina le Hotman mina to be honest mina lingifonele like ntwana yami bheka. Ngiyazi ucabane namajita ngazi next into enizenzana nani but into zakho bafuna into zakho uzokhona ukuthola imali yakho ye-lodge.
Yeah.
Ngithola leswa ngisho nokuza ikanda le mabhokisi ukhopile emabhokisi enzeni hayi mina
have
ngizazi
the
mfethu mina
experience
ungifonele personal
Yi-Grootman.
look yangithola like iGrootman ngithola like ungifonele ngithola ukuthi mfethu bheka sicela 1 2 3 zakho uzokhona ukuthola into yakho like
Yeah.
mina ama royalty wami ye-lodge ngiyawathola personal
Even now.
yes personal
So-
I like
So with-
anginikwa amelanga ngize ngilandele like imanager kuqala ngize ngiyile ngiyenze
Wathola
understand
kuwe
Yeah,
straight.
that's
like
really,
yes
that's really
understand
dope.
like you
Yeah.
understand that's why ngisho like not viable like umaphokisi bacele
He's the one
izinto
that-
zami like sampro like
Yeah.
everything
Oh, so they-
kwaphasa
Shout out,
nani
you
that's
guys.
why I'm saying to people ukuthi like nginokuza that's why abanye abantu bazothini ayile maybe yamkhulumela uPuri
Yeah.
like ngakuvezela nama message ku Instagram
Yeah.
like
Ukusizisa.
uPuri
Don't
like
you think
yes
that was back
call me
then?
angiqela izinto angiqela ama email wami understand like mina nginokumangala umuntu athi mina ngihopa amaphokisi like come on guys like
Shout out,
like yangithola mfethu
Dala ngisho.
like no but
Dala
no
ngisho.
man that's why like ngibuyela kulesa statement sami mfethu ne bheka ungenza ingoma nawe ngine-manager manginenkinga kumele ngibuze i-manager yami i-manager yami imele ngilwele you understand I can't say ngikhombe ngento ongayazi understand so into eyenzakalayo la kwi-industry because ngenze nayo ingoma igama lakho likhulu ngizofa ngawe into eyenzakalayo kule game ngithola
that
so
makes a
like
lot of
ama-manager
sense.
mfethu sometimes like now ngithola kumele abe neqiniso bheka today ama-manager amaningi aney'moto anezindlu dog ama-artist ayasafara
Don't.
Dope.
asafara dog you understand why You understand? Qeda kusasa niplay babo mapolice. Mapolice asangakunokhe dog. Mapolice there's nothing to do nento zakho. Wena usayine nomuntu. Wena lo muntu osane naye, umuntu kumele enze sure lo muntu loyo udila naye, you understand? So you can't blame uKabza ngobani bani uthi ubani bani unginokile mfethu lento ephela mase uqala uyenza ingoma siyakhuluma. Now ngeke uvele udume uhambe e-studio yenza ingoma. You understand?
Easy, dog.
With regards to that whole conversation, umuntu will come forward and say, "Uzban man unginokile." A lot of
Yes.
people get into the industry with an empty stomach. So they think
yes.
upon an empty stomach.
Angeke ungene vele ulambile.
Maphorisa will come to me and say, Pindi, let's go to studio and record. Mina
Hmm.
mzoya, guys, Maphorisa,
Obvious,
after all that we're talking
igama,
about,
the
ne?
name
You understand?
says a lot.
And in the bazaar, split sheet and so
Ngeke
that's one
ucabange,
later.
ngeke
Until I
ucabange.
actually realized that the 3.5 you gave me for Bastrata is actually way less.
But-
Bheka sesibuyele kulelo
my
point
chat-
lakho
my
good
chat is-
good yabo lapho ke
Angivumile,
ungichazile.
mind you, ne?
Yabo
Ungivumile,
lapho
wathi-
ngichazile.
Mind
Ngoba
you, ungivumile, ne?
yes.
Ngathi, no, 3.5.
Right.
Ah,
This
no.
one
Wena wathi
this one
great.
nami ngisho ukuthi
And then
ibuyela
the
kulela
song
point
makes
ibuyela kule point lela ukuthini siyenza ingoma mina nawe siyavumelana. Kusasa ngiblame omunye umuntu. Mina nawe
My chat-
sivumelene.
no,
You understand?
but, guys, but as someone who's experienced in the industry, ungangirob kanjalo.
Yes.
You
They
know,
do.
ukuthi
Yes,
3,500 is not even
Listen
the
my love.
minimum.
Bheka azinjani ne?
choice.
Asifana nokuthini ne? Umusha like example umusha emsebenzini ne.
Yes.
Mawumusha kumele wazi everything kumele ubuze. You understand? Kumele wazi ukuthi kulo msebenzi lo uzosebenza ngani? Yini ispan sakho kahle kahle ngithola. Manje inkinga abantu abamnyama sigijimele ukugijimisa imali sikhohle ukuthi sizosebenza ngani.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So iqala lapha you understand ukuthi angeke ngigijimisa imali ngingazi ukuthi ngizoyenzani. Ngizoyenzani la kahle kahle. Yini point lami? Into ezothi ngizothola imali yami yini isizathu?
Yes,
You understand?
yes.
So sayenza angeke ngifike e-studio ngivele ngirecord. Siyakhulumisana ukuthi ebheka mfethu soyenza ingoma ezithu. One yakhe one yami. Yangithola split sheet esakho nginike sakho ngithole sami. Nginika i-percentage yakho nginika i-percentage yami. You understand? It's clean deal ngithola.
Yes.
Angeke ukuthi usazothi hey mina ungihopile ngoba ingoma yami yaphusha. You understand? Ngine PR abezophusha ingoma yami. You understand? Ne PR yakho kumele iphushe ingoma yakho. So manje iqala lapho senza ingoma mina ngiyathula nengoma ngiyadropa. Yes ungasho ukuthi kunokile ngikubhayisisile.
Yes.
You understand? But angeke ngikubhayisise entweni ngibhale kuzo. Ngibhale engomeni.
You know,
You
that's
can't.
the very same thing JR was saying in one
You
of his
understand?
interviews. Ukuthi, he went on to say, if you go to look for a job, a Pick n Pay, ne, and then you get there and they say, oh, no, we are hiring you for 3.5 a month. And you're like, okay, cool.
Okay.
And then you actually find out, so no, Pick n Pay is actually making around 7.1 billion rand.
Per
A
month.
day.
Ukhale,
I understand.
hey, I deserve
Yes.
so
You wanted
small.
that
You understand?
Like,
You understand?
actually signed.
Yeah, you signile because that's why ngoba into ovumelene ngayo. You understand? This one ngithini bakunika i-contract. You understand? This one namanje.
So ngomntombi wakho
That's
uvumile
what
nawe
he
ukuthi
said,
bakubhadale.
But into Pindi, if you are nobody ne, and then comes somebody,
Yeah.
uzohamba naye lo muntu.
Yes.
It's a fact.
It's a fact, yes.
I'm nobody, kuzuphori.
Yes.
Uyabona is something.
Nasi
Ngihorot man uvana ngoba
Ngithola.
because uyazi ukuthi akhe sharp uzongifaka
injalo.
industry.
Yes,
No question
indlela
asked.
Awucabangi
Awubuzi
lezi zinto
awubuzi nix
lezo.
ingoma mayiduma,
But besides that,
uyajamba.
my chat lies ekutheni as someone who's experienced in the industry, why don't you educate me? Why are you taking advantage of me?
you know
Knowing
what?
ukuthi
You know
I'm
what?
hungry.
You know I'm
Obviously.
not anything. Yes.
Yes.
I like your point. I like your point. Ngithola you know why uthi ngiyakufundisa ku-industry ne.
Why?
To be honest ne mina ngizokutshela ne. Ngizokufundisa i-industry manje ne. Kusasa asifana nokuthini? Abanye abantu azibanjani? Like mina ngizokuyenzela example like mina like abantu abaningi like ngibagrumile like ngiyangithola.
Okay.
But namhlanje abanye abasiboni.
Yeah.
Ngithola. Like abanye babafika kimi eRomini lami eWhite City. Ngibanika istudio bakase ngibashiye like bayenzeni kulahleka izinto ngingabuzi like angithola.
Yeah.
That's why because of the love
Ama
ngithola.
example, so-
Your music ngiyangithola.
Yeah.
Because ngothando lwemusic ngokuthi nami ngifuna ukunceda omunye umuntu nami ngifuna ukuthola omunye umuntu ngiyangithola. But
Yeah.
And sometimes that's our downfall.
You understand? Yeah, I understand. Sometimes imosha wena. You understand?
Ukusiza
In fact
abantu.
sibancedile abantu siva.
Abobani bancedile.
Yeah.
Like senyasho like
Yeah,
baning I can't say
I
name,
mean,
like,
we appreciate you helping those people. You
Yes,
understand?
bancedile abantu abaningi.
So are you saying ukuthi with you helping those people, something was supposed to come back to you?
no.
No, he wasn't
No.
expecting something.
I was
like
not
you
expecting
say.
something. you understand?
Exactly. I'm saying ukuthi
I'm saying good like sakunceda today. But when
You don't recognize.
you understand?
So,
That's
okay.
kanjani? Ukubonisa example. Uma porisa ne. Nyenza ingoma nawe ngithi awaziwa. Nyenza ingoma nawe today. kusasa ngimangicela yenza ingoma nawe kuhlanganisa ngiyathatha ngiya kuMaporisa. uMaporisa wazi mina akakwazi, ngiyenza ingoma nawe noMaporisa. Kusasa wena sone chance ukuthi ungayenza ingoma noMaporisa ngoba uzwe ivoice yakhe imnandi.
Yes.
Kusasa wena ngabuye ungikhulume kabi ngoMaporisa, do you know that?
Yeah,
Into eyenzakalayo
it happens
like
in the-
you
especially
understand
in the
ku-industry
industry.
ngithola.
Okay.
You understand? So like lento engizama ukusho ukuthi leswathola abanye abantu bengeke bafundisa abanye abantu kwi-industry ukuthi okay mfethu kuyenziwa so abanye abantu banenhlanhla mawuthole thina njengami kanje ukutshela ukuthi intwana mpeka la yanyiwa la mangafasanga
So you feel
amashubisi
like the legends-
la like i-lyric lakho kumele ligqwale ibhek liqumbe like mangagqwela ngayo use-HIV. Understand ukuthi la kumele uzazi indaba zakho ukuthi yazini ngiyasebenza angizelanga ngizoyenza ubungani. Understand ngisemsebenzini fana nomuntu ose Pick n Pay akayelanga abangani Pick n Pay. You understand uyafika asebenza chayisa hambe emsebenzini why thina la ku-industry kumele sisebenze icede kusasa sihleka sonke leso wathola kusasa abanye abantu bayenzani
Beef.
bayabhifa. understand so kuliwa abantu uthi mina ubani bana ngimfuni. You understand unokuthola amagigini umunye umuntu uyaperform abanye bamhleke bamenze stupid but abheke ubani bani uyaperform bahleke ukuthi hayi lo perform ayikho indaba yakho wile. You understand like into esinokuzizwa ngithola esinokuzibona. Understand like ayikho sharp. Understand ukuthi like ngibona omunye umuntu bamkhoma bathinde ngami ngithola ifika kanjalo kimi ukuthi shoot bathini yabo that's why ngithola sometimes singena abangani
Mara ni
ku-industry.
emotional industry.
No, it's not.
I wonder if wayithatha ngenhliziyo into
Uzolimala.
No, ni
Uzokhawateka
That's my chat exactly.
Yes,
ukuthi,
uzolimala.
why ni chest? Like it shouldn't be.
Chester
No,
because
as
wena
fine.
bawuthembile.
Tukubonisa example ne.
But, no.
Mina ngizokubonisa example ne.
Okay.
Asifani ne. Mina this way ngikwenza example. Yabo mina ngikhuliswe ubaba ngithola emkhukhwini ngithola. Like omunye umuntu noma ngathini kimi manje. Mina hayi mina kimi yandlula nomoya. Angithola mina for mina like
'Cause
mina
you've
angithola
experienced
because
many
like
hardships.
like ngidlule entweni eziningi like ngangithola ngikhule kanzima angeke like ngithuse omunye umuntu ezongithuka athi hey futhi khona mina norini estradeni or like ngiperforma kwamuntu akhuluma into
you've
esinesicetha
seen
senye
worse.
umoya like or lenye artist like ngisole selithenye into ngiyazi lo muntu loyo kahle kahle competition naye. Understand mina sengithathe nje ngegame I was playing football egroundini mongene bese kuhleka ngama-cox sikutshele sime kanje streamline basesibhekile bazobheka amakhadi ukutshela ukuthi hayi wena ungangimaga nge-cox elinje ngokuyisa umoya yabona ukuthi like ngikhipha entweni like easy.
Egamini
Understand
straight.
so like into esikhula sinayo thina from ebholweni ukuthi hayi omunye umuntu uyakwazi ukumkhipha epicture angithola it's experience angithola ukuthi like omunye fana naku PSL manje angithola lento ezenzeka ku PSL thola bathu ubani banasa perform kahle is not ukuthi akasa perform kahle like ile way angayijwayelanga ngakhona ngithola
Yeah.
i-pressure. Understand you have to understand the pressure elifini
So
uma
do
nga
you-
understand the pressure use-HIV.
Do you ever feel like maybe that energy was transferred onto you in terms of the longevity of maybe ispark sakho in the industry? Because when you came in with your hit song, a lot of people were just like, okay, a lot of people are just like, what's next?
Yeah.
A
I
lot of
was
people are like,
expecting-
what's next?
I expected a lot.
With Amapiano, because obviously the market is
Very high, yeah.
saturated. We understand. No, people expect you to have hit after hit. You understand?
Yes.
So now,
Space.
did you have those
Space.
people that were sharing you? Ngama apakato ukuthi sesikhona maye dog relax. Sekhona thina manje.
Nah, to be honest hayi mina babangisaba namanje hayi
Basasaba
bayazi hayi
namanje.
namanje abaningi bayazi hayi mina abaningi basaba ungikhulumisa like angazi ukuthi like kanjani ngisona maka abaningi bayangisaba like to be honest angifihla ngiclaim noma ngifikile eklabhini like hleli hayi abanye baya pretend no azi do you know what I like ngidlalile ibhola like mina umuntu opretenda ngimbona kude ngingena ngiyabona upretend ukuthi azi nalo umuntu uzongipretendela noma ngifika nami ngizokunika into engipha yona and wena ngeke ubone uzoshuda lo muntu leya ucama ukuthi akabona nganyazi ukuthi energy yakhe kuphi and angeke kubonisa ukuthi energy yakhe ivaya ngithola so like good way like mina like izinto zami ngise-experience ngakhona good way namhlanje like ngisurvive ngakhona kule game ngikwazi ukubuya ku-egamini ngithola because ngithathe i-pressure ngajela ukuthini ifana nebhola mfethu.
Okay.
Like,
So
it's a team nento leyo ngithola it's a team if sonke like sifuna igolide you have to fight for igolide. Understand so nami ngizitshela kanjalo ukuthi angeke ngicama ukuthi igoli lami ngiyi-one la emhlabeni. Understand I have to fight. You understand
So you speak about coming back to the industry. I mean, you would agree, Guti, you kind of like,
yeah
lost
because-
relevancy in a way.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
But as
mina-
much as you say, bayakusaba na maya, asali talent lisese khona, but you're a bit. What caused that?
into eyenza ukuthi ngisheshele umrawo kakhulu angithi lento bengisho ukuthi like besifocus ekuthini sifuna ukulwisa abantu okuthini basithathele imali yethu nanani but ngiyabona ukuthi okay yazi end of the day bayithathile angeke ibuye
Noma
mangabe
iyahlekisa.
iyabuya but end of the day if like lento le mfethi italent elikimi dog yangithola naku bachiftile phambi kwami bamile nabo impilo zabo zimile tsi abanama artist laba khona bamile abanye
Abobani labo?
yangithola? Like bamile like ya
must
abakhona
bafuna
ukuphusha
amagama.
I wanna know.
yangithola like maka even like I'm talking about the manager I artist elipushayo like manje like
Yeah.
if it's salandelela
So
kuma social media
your
like,
manager took
understand?
money from you.
yes like mina angisayinanga uthatha imali yami I agree bayithathile like
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah,
like
like-
bayichwagile like
was
fanele
it
ukuthi
like a-
sayichwaga like
Yeah.
understand? Yeah, because end of the day mfethu angisayinanga nayo you can't ukuthi ungiholdele ingoma yami wena uthathe licensing uyisayinele wena and then shoot ngamanye amagama yasiropa
Yeah.
yangithola yeah like ikanjalo ukuthi like
That's
shoot yona sinoka
crazy.
So mina nje
so like mina ngithathe ngale ndlela le ukuthini azini okudaliwe kuyafana nongingithola okuyenziwe kuyafana
Okwenzekile sekufana
nokudaliwe
nokudaliwe.
so like I have to push ngifocus kimi ngifocus kwentweni ezenzakala phela mfethu into angangigijimisa into yan 2019 like sengigijima ama court imane yangibulala ngamuntu for ukugijima ama court I have to focus to my career you understand
So-
kumele ngipush
So did you with ukuvula amehlo kwakho, you know, ukubona ukuthi khona izinto ezenzakalayo in the industry, do you feel like with being eye open, you know, by a lot of things in the industry, do you feel like they kind of like pushed you back, they didn't want to work with you, some people in the industry, I'm a producer and some of the
yeah
big people.
bazenza ezinye izinto ezinjalo ngithola like uthi uyafika abanye bakumayizise like njengoba ngisho ngithola maka anyazi uthi
Is it because they think you lost relevancy?
no
Or because
no
they
sometimes
think
no
ucabanga
abanye
ukuthi uhlakaniphile?
no pisani naloko abanye pisani nokuhlakanipha azi abanye abanjani abanye abantu azi khona umuntu ozothanda ukuhlakanipha kwakho ni abantu uthi yazini mangingahlangana nalo muntu la singaba safe you understand ukuhlakanipha kwalo muntu kuzinye izinto uzonginceda ngithola ngoba asihlakaniphi ngokufana uthi nawo khona izinto ozaziyo onganginceda ngazo ngithola ku industry so like into enza ukuthi like ku industry uthola abantu bangasa entertain kakhulu ngithola like nezinkulumo zabantu phela sakwazi ukucrasha ngezinkulumo ku interview kanje ukuthi
Yeah.
abantu banuyabhema ngabhema
Yeah.
do you know that you understand khona umuntu angajula ukuthi abani
Mara mina
ngiyawubhe manje
ukhona ngisho
So
uzophendulela.
it's like ama interview.
no like phela tukutshela ifana ne-interview akusinoma ubani angena e-SABC wana azole interview easy you understand
Have you gotten
Anthony.
one?
yeah ama-interview dala ungazami khona interview ye-lockdown ke kutshele ngayo ke ye-lockdown kumele siperform do you know ukuthi ngaperformisa umuntu ongekho engomeni abantu bangazi e-South Africa ngamfaka nge-lockdown ngenxa ukuthi bathini umyana kangeni ngalanda umuntu eceleni personal athi intwana yampeka angeke khona ungena and ilanga lakhona bekuperform uStoki bokuyi-lockdown bani lento le lockdown le bedume
Yeah,
e-SABC
yeah,
1
yeah.
ngithola bengilapha e-SABC 1 do you know ukuthi ngigcine sengiya kumtsweling FM banginika interview umuntu ongazi yena khona ngoba wazi
Bathi why
ubhuti wami,
ungangeni?
ngithola. I don't know.
Why
They
bakushilo
didn't tell me.
sure,
They didn't tell me like
So they
ngithola.
just said
yes
you're not
ukuthi
going
like mina ngeke
to
ngikhona ukungena nani nani but mina mangithi umuntu angangena ingoma ethi yadlala ungena
Mara inkinga ya uwe.
shoot yes
So do
kula
you
ngibona
feel
khona
like-
ukuthi problem it's me
Bakusaba and
Okay.
yeah ngithola like it's sabotage
Bayabona
SABC
ukuthi
1.
hayi.
Nase SABC 1.
Una-
no
Bayaphezulu.
akusiyibo exactly like khona umuntu like ngithola you know ukuthi like that's why ngihlezi ngisho like ngithola in industry ngithola siyakwazi ukusabotage mfethu
Damn.
Doesn't
Ama
take
connection
much.
when you
yeah
go
mina
to
zange
SABC
phela
Doesn't take
mina
much to-
mamela phela ngithi ngiyayimela ngithi nakusasa noba ngathi ngisayimela ngamletha umuntu akhona la akhuluma ukuthi yes ngaperforma azange perform umiyana
No siyakuzwa.
I understand
Yeah.
ukuthi like ngafaka yena athi intwana ngena ntwana mina sengizoshaya interview emtsweling FM wena ngena ushaya ekhaya ngoba mina uVrupa nyamazi outtime Hotman lama ngithola nani nani la ngibiza ntwana mpela ngeke ubhayiseke sofika usuke esotho nani nani ngithola ngena kayi ku interview ngithola na
So
interview
Mfethu-
anginike interview like
Since after 2019, you know, what happened? Why haven't you dropped?
Uyadropa.
He
Ah,
has
sad-
been dropping music,
siya
but
drop ama obvious yangithi njengoba ngisho mfethu la kule
Kunzima.
industry mfethu yabo ngithola and then into futhi yazi industry it's PR I understand
Yeah.
so like mongena PR uzobhayisela
Do you have new
wait,
management now?
wait, Mara, with the PR thing, ne, you didn't need a PR for
Yeah, 2019.
Ama Uber, ane?
Yeah.
And you
Lodge.
didn't
Lodge.
need any
Yeah,
PR
understand.
for Abo Lodge. Those were just hit singles on their own.
Yeah.
And they're able to sell
It was
themselves.
yes.
So now
yes
do
njengoba
you-
ngisho
but
ukuthi
it was
yabasikovi
lack of-
do you think Leah
That's why
Juicy
mina
ama-hits,
ngiyi-
mhlambe ikuphelele noma
No.
it's a thing of
He's still
the sound
cookie.
evolves, ne? The sound evolves with that people are consuming on this regular like
Ipiano yamanje
Ah,
ayisafani nayasakudala.
no piano mele usheshe utshele ini like mina ipiano Sunday one for
Yes,
me
as an
understand
artist.
Isafana like
like yeah isafana
ungathi isafana from 2019.
Mamela.
Piano yamanje.
ihluke kancane like singathi kancane azingani like like ufana nani nesigubhu sakhona ngithola like
wave.
abantu iwave yakhona ngithola
The wave.
siyigijima ngenye indlela understand. So like ayisafani njengakuqala ukuthi yeah phela ubheki wave yakudala ngithola bese recorda ngabo 120 112 ngithola yeah 112 ngithola mase abagijima ngawo seyikhona 13
Yeah,
abanye
1-3
benzi
khona,
14 bese record 14 izolo lokho I understand ukuthi like ngithola ukuthi like it's intonyana encane but there's nothing more ngoba like ngibelile i3 step also
Serious?
yeah no,
Damn.
Must be a
okay mid-trend yes
Yeah.
ngibeli in this song yeah
No, speaking of Gibela genre Masha, there's a new
The-
song.
yes this song is shoot like
Pesgwenge.
oh phezu kokenza kula khona and do you know ukuthi ngoma ngiyibhaleleni
Yeah, before you continue about Pesgwenge, can we please introduce somebody else that
Aye,
is featured
offense.
on the song?
Hi, Swahili.
nakho ke yo ay intana ay ngona man
Yeah.
Let's talk Pesgwenye. Let us talk.
Yo.
Akila Patch.
Hey, my man.
Pesgwenge.
This song is making it. Firstly,
Yeah.
I just have to shout out to the community that keeps social media alive. It's the reason why we
Us, like us.
Yeah,
Gemini
Fatoma,
guys.
shout out to us. Yeah.
I'm a nigga like I
they
give
keep the
you
music
guys
culture alive and they introduced the music to us because Ipesgwenye na music on TikTok for the first time. So tell us about Ipesgwenye. Did you anticipate it to be a hit single like this one?
Oh, basically, I sister thing chilene. Tina masenza ingoma hit.
Yeah.
Yeah. If
Okay.
there's one thing for sure, siyenzayo hit.
Akila Patch.
Asiqale move. Uthi ngibuyisele move.
Okay.
Siqala ngama Uber.
Yes.
Siqala ngelodge. Ukapatiye.
Ukapati.
Mame. I-gigabytes. Ama-international ka-store.
Paradise.
Everybody momo. Ithi la.
ithi labo tona
Yeah,
ya
we understand.
Okay.
So bengazi ukuthi masizoya e-studio no-Jay-Z. Definitely some kind of
You're gonna call.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So siyariyazi ne-confident ukuthi yeah?
ha
Umkhenzo uyathethisa umkhenza kashawa.
mamela
Yeah, titties
why
and
are
legs.
you ungafundanga
Guys,
Angithi uyayizwa
shout out to these
mayiqala
guys. Hey,
momo.
hey.
abashela ukuthi le gama olithola
Akila
kanjani
Patch.
Andoda siyalimaza.
le gama
Guys.
olithola kanjani ntona mawubatshela
Damn. You guys are iconic.
le gama le
Yabona when it comes to Killer Punch,
Eish.
le gama leli silwele mfana.
Eish.
Khona ukila kawo, mina ngokila. So sirelease ama-international ka-Stoki ukila da. So everyone is relating ukila kawo. Everyone is thinking ukuthi ukila kawo shani.
Yeah.
Ngiyangithola?
Yeah.
Hey, babuye kimi bathi Kida man, sinenkinga ngithini manje? Ubani uKida kanti? Omunye. Bathi hawu Kida kawo ngithi amakaveli uKida kawo. So, mfana add something there. Yabona? So leli la Punch ufana eish.
yo incindi
And yawashaya amaphansi.
Leli la Punch. Kusho ukuthi bengibizwa isibali sami ngalo. Yabona? Mangangibona cha Kida Punch. Nangisho ukuthi ayidona. Ngoba ngitsho umntana kubo manje. Cha Kida Punch. Yabo? So ngavela ngadaya yabona le Punch leya ngiyilahlela manje.
Yes.
So Kida Punch ngiyamlahlela kamampela yahlala bheka manje kenzakalani. A Kida Punch.
Sekenzakala ama otherwise.
Kanjalo.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's how it went on. But yeah,
So yeah, much I mean, I have a question there.
yeah, sure.
What are the most heartbreaking stories esihlangane nazo la industry?
yo hayi mfana kunokho imali
Iyakubani le question.
kunokho imali
Both of
kunokho imali hayi kunokho imali mina sathi la maye hayi ntona bo
Mina the most heartbreaking moment like music industry it's getting to have a song nomuntu but you don't get recognized.
But were you putting yourself out there? Were you pushing that song as
I
well?
understand. And it's not about me putting the song out there, but
Okay.
when unegama elikhulu ukudlulelami.
Sharp.
So you're the one basically pushing the song. You understand? When you just have to take me along.
yes
Yabona, maybe 1-2 gigs,
Yeah.
big gigs.
Yeah.
Yabona, ungidonse key, that's fine, Don. You understand? And performer. Yabona, show me love, dog. But what happens is ingoma yakhe izodlala out there ungekho
Yeah.
Yeah.
and
Yes.
bazokusendela lawo mavideo lawo
Eish.
your song is playing
Aye.
you understand
Yeah,
but you are
your
not
song is
there
playing, but
dog.
you're not
Usendlini.
there.
and the more uyabheka now uyafuna ukufana naye
Eish, usendlini.
okay not ukufana naye in a way
But to be out there.
but to be out
Perform ngoma
there
yakho.
ekugcineni mina nawe angithi silwisa ukuthi kumele sithole isinko
Kumele sidle mfethu.
uyangithola
Yeah.
so why mele udle u-1 mina ngingadli
Eish, ntwana yami.
but
But
asikho
guys,
la
yeah, you didn't do it. That's what I was fighting,
Yes,
guys. Ukuthi,
yeah.
you know, these people should be giving the new artist a platform. Or if you're big, you know, Ukuthi you're big, and you know there's someone
Shebile
that
nomntwana
you know
esinye.
you made a song with. Give them a platform. You know. So what I was saying, instead of keeping quiet and information oyazi ukuthi izomsiza omunye umuntu because ekugcineni uzongithuka ekugcineni uzokhuluma ngami kabi. No, guys.
especially
As in anything.
for so kancane boy especially for ama vocalists yabo I think we are all experiencing the same
The same
thing
thing. Yeah.
ama vocalist wonke kuba inhlanhla uthola i-vocalist kube yilo
Yeah.
engomeni you understand I don't know ukuthi lama record label or whoever babatshelane because in order for a song ukuthi iphelele if ngifake vocal yabantswembu then it's a song
It's a song.
Yes.
Yeah.
you understand so why am I not being considered because kusasa banokukutshela ukuthi ukiller is only a feature relax ingoma
Yeah.
yakho push ingoma
Ayiqinile.
bahambe nawo mhlambe Universal or wherever kamampela kushuta wena photoshoot nani
Son.
you understand but wena kahle kahle
Mawuthabheka ingoma
feature.
uwe wena vocal umuntu wenza ukuthi ingoma phakathi.
egijimisa ingoma
Phela do you know ukuthi amanye ama-beats ayabhora guys.
Yeah,
So,
manje-
yeah.
Mina will tell you iqiniso ne.
Yeah.
Mina bheka asibuyeleni ku-beats lani. Asibuyeleni ku-beats lama uba ngeke ulimamele lilodwa.
Yeah.
Siqale
But
lapho.
it's the so- it's
Yeah,
the
ngakusendela
vocals.
yona ingoma yakhona
Sure.
iyodwa nginayo. Ngikusendela i-beats lakhona angalidelete ngeke uyimamele.
boy hayi ukuthi iyakhenya
I-beat.
mara hayi ukuthi iyakhenya
Hayi ukuthi yakhenya.
Hayi ukuthi
Angisho ukuthi
iyakhenya.
iyabhora ngithi mina like ngithi angeke ushaye ubumnandini abantu bayizwe into le
Iyo.
abayizwayo mayine vocal.
Yeah.
angithi nangaphandle kwaloko sesiyazi ukuthi ama-uber
Yes.
but hayi ukuthi iyakhenya
Yes.
you understand it's a
Even
song
bayikhipha iyodwa uwasingawazi.
Ubangawazi
Yeah.
azange enzele
hayi ukuthi
understand.
iyakhenya
Yeah.
it's just that ivocali linswembu phela
You understand?
nephezu kwenye ne iphume kayi-2
Ine-beat.
ine-vocal ine-beat you understand
Yeah.
Yes.
yeah so le mayidlala nami ngingathanda ukujeva phezu kuyedlala so uyangithola but i-beat obviously ngeke ulimamele
So what are you guys anticipating from the whole song, Jay, in terms of reach out, Yama artist? Because I know you guys probably would like to work with a couple of artists this year. So in terms of Jay, Leo magnetic feature, Lengoma enayo. Ngibheke nje ukuthi from this song, what it is, le nifuna ukuyiphula out, and what artists would you guys like to work with?
okay basically hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe asifuni ukuspana or kanjani but whoever who's willing to work with us we are available sikhona
Okay.
can just DM us
So-
simnandi
So nina aninawo ama like ngathini ama
Management.
lawa nifuna ukusebenza
Oh,
like,
artists like
Now,
Akho,
mfethu,
noma
but
nini.
anybody that
Thina
wants to
maybe
work
bayabona, right,
can
kusasa
reach
kuqala
out.
i-call.
Yeah, iqinile. It's
now ne
It's the truth.
okay basically for mina I would like to work with Sam Deep you understand mina
The greatest.
yabona Sam Deep
Amapolas.
Nacho Sticks yabona leya uyangithola I think ukuthi when we there
The
you understand
greatest
and then there's a song I've heard eyamunye umntwana bathi the Rose
Yeah, the rose.
something like that yabona leya ncosiliyana yabona there's a beat there I don't know but it's fast ne
Azi lapho uthini?
I think she's with Sfazo ne
Abanamanga lapha bakhuluma ngami bathi bapha bomiyano. Mamela lela la. Lapho ukhuluma ngami eqineni.
so
Azi yabo
abantu abanjalo nje people who are there makuyalizwa yawazi lama-beats engikhuluma
You understand? Yes.
uyangibamba
I
ne
like it.
anokwayitonyana cabanga le ntwana unatsho seyiphethe mina iphethe umyalo
Yeah.
you understand
Nami.
Guys,
Yeah,
I
but-
see it. I mean, look at
Yabona.
Ilokanjin.
and it takes us out of the comfort zone
Yes.
nathi.
Yeah,
I
understand
understand,
because
yes,
yonke into thina sagijima but
Isigubhu, ne?
yeah but end of the day yilapha I don't know ngomyalo ufuna usibane noba
Hayi baba sasebenza la sisebenza na wonke umuntu. Hey nina hey lapho nina. Hey nina ngizani.
So,
Hey
ufuna bani? Specifically.
how them to them to go keep into yethu last year ndoda December ndoda them to
Them keeper, them to
wangikhumbuza. Hey
the keeper.
siphethe enye into lapha. Mamela yey
ashamelile
yey wena.
yeah
Yo aya ngisakhuluma mamela yo lapha sithintithe ibhika ama bass beans siyawadabula mamela
Okay, guys. So with the Pesgwendlu, like you said, you see, you feel like the bigger people should be pushing, Do you feel like Jay-Z should do the same with the Upes Gwendler? Take you guys to gigs and
Yeah,
perform
shout
the
out,
song?
Shout out to
Shout out to
Jay-Z,
Jay-Z.
you know?
Yeah,
bafethu.
shout out
If
to
there's one
Jay-Z.
thing,
It's humble, that guy.
if there's one thing, which
Ningakhohlwa
is-
bafethu laba.
if there's one thing with Tumelo, ne, you know when we got
Stumza.
to, when we got to his house, ne,
Yeah.
he asked us, "Uthi, Chancy, where have you
Nisifihleleni.
been?"
Yeah, wait.
Like, do you know that nto
Yabona?
lengithintile?
Yeah, athi wine isesowethu ningavumi sothi nigwinye. You understand? So in a way, ikhoti hayi ukuthi at least it doesn't take us to gigs or whatever, but whatever that he did right now
Yeah.
ngephesigwenye, we truly
It helped you push the movement.
we
Yeah,
appreciate
we appreciate
mfana.
fucked up a
Tumelo.
lot.
La uthathe
Stumza
khona
boy.
nje yami.
Yabonga
Akwane
ntwana
nje.
yami.
Shout
Yabonga
out to
boy.
the Q.
Yabonga ntwana yami. Yabonga sana. Yabonga ntwana yami. Ah, King P. King P asikhohlwa na boy. Ah, best one. Mamela, King P ntwana yami. Now boy.
Consuming music wamanje, ne?
Yeah.
The music that's
And a shout out to King
Let's not
P.
quote mention
As
King
King.
P.
So
Yeah, King P,
askisi
shout out to
ukukhatha
King
ngana
P.
mntasekhaya.
King P.
Shout out to King P
King
bafethu.
P.
Yabo isitala saka King P
20 ways.
bafethu. Mamela, yabo le wave nyanizwa busy.
Yeah.
Hey bomang bayethang.
Yeah.
Hey
20 ways.
bomang bayethang
Yeah.
mamela
King P.
bheka mfethu. Yabo ipiano.
Yeah.
Yabo ipiano. Ipiano la yenze into South Africa. Phela thina leswa ngisho uthi labo oqala ukuperform eDurban. Yithi mfethu ngamapiano.
Yeah, sure.
Leswa ngisho uthi
Yeah, sure.
like
Guys, you guys were the new wave.
Mata bheka nemasifika.
Thina ndoda shake
Must
every
be
July.
Masifika igqomu ne. Oh understand. Do you know what mean igqomu ngilijive like ngilase eDurban ngenkani ngilijivele ngenkani ngaze ngalazi
Because
ngalithanda.
bengigig eDurban.
Because bengigig eDurban every.
Thina ndoda sifike eDurban July bangafuni ipiano lidlale.
Yeah, bokunyiwa.
Bebakutshela
Like,
ukuthi
ukhilithi.
angeke baperform.
Ah,
That time
bokukhilithi. Piano lenzani?
ubani lo the promoter linibizile all the way from Soweto but amanifika lapha ama-artist egqomantshela laba
laba
kama
ngeke.
phela angandlali nodlala ekugcineni abantu sebadakiwe banganaki nokunaka
Guys, Nobuya njani?
I don't know.
Nobuya, do you guys think that you ever gonna reach that state ever again? La khona and Buka left, right, and center, and the crowd loves you guys like that.
athi ngitshele yabona thi ngitshele abo la manzi akama khona
Happy down.
Yaphinda.
Ngeke ahlala ngayo.
sida you understand
This one like I was
sida
always
ukuthi izo zona lezi zinto lezi zokuthi mhlambe whatever that is happening
Yeah.
piano is moving too fast now
Yeah, it is.
yeah yabona
It
that
is.
so but
lona
bekakhohliwa ngithi naye phezu kwenye bakhumbuza game on asiyeni ke
Yeah. Asambeni guys.
Phandle-ke.
But shout out to askisi ne. Shout out to Trace bafethu.
Shout out to
Trace.
yeah
Tracy.
Tracy
Ntwana yami.
Yeah,
Ngiyabonga.
Tracy.
Ngiyabonga ntwana yami.
Tracy, yeah.
Ngiyabonga ntwana yami. Ngiyabonga
Tracy.
ntwana yami ungibonisile
Doing
something
great
ukuthi
things,
like you understand. Like yeah.
You don't give
Push
up in life.
ngakutshela ntwana yami ukuthi asipushe
Yeah.
like iyakubo
You see?
ntwana sihloko.
Yeah, sure.
Iya abantwana aba right. I always
sure.
tell you ntwana ukuthi bheka.
Yeah, sure.
Iya kulabo aba right. Thina makuthi bayasibhayizisa. Hlokoloza ngale.
Khuphuka wena.
Zovuleka understand. Yeah, like ngiyabonga Trace like yeah.
Mtswembu.
Mamela now like Tracy.
Mtswembu.
Like Tracy ntwana yami hayi. I'm happy. Like me I'm happy for Tracy guys.
And
I'm
amongst
not
Wale?
more.
Shout out.
Like
Shout
I'm
out
happy
to
Tracy.
you for
I love you ntwana
Yeah, sure.
yami hayi.
Spirit. Which others amongst those?
Yeah.
Tracy is a good one.
Yeah,
is
sure.
One of the best.
Yeah.
Currently in South Africa.
Yo,
So
yabona
maybe which other four?
Other four.
Because Tracy said something.
Okay, akakhuluma ifo yakhe ngikhuluma ifo yakhe
Okay, yes.
Come on.
Yes.
Phela mina
yes.
amathista ngwazegama. Inkinga yamuthi
Isho
amathista
ingoma
ngwazi.
zabo.
akhona wazi
Akhona
Noma ngasho ingoma.
maka the most amathista ahamba kahle for mina.
masixoxela indaba khuluma
Right now.
ama-artist.
Abantu abahamba manje.
yeah sure ubani
Hello.
The
The
Rose.
Rose.
Hello.
Sponso
Yeah, sure.
auntie. Shout out,
Ubani?
shout out, Sponso in the
Ooh.
building.
ubani
Konjiwani?
khuluma tu
Gogo.
Gogo.
Hayi Devin Gokazana.
Oh, Azana. Azania.
Mamela mntana sekhaphe ngicela ifeature noma nganginika i13
Yeah.
sobona. Hayi mamela uyamosha wena.
3
That's two.
2. Yo, bafethu.
ukhohliwe
Ushasha.
Oh, Shasha.
mshashisto
Shasha.
Ushashisto ngumshiya.
Msharalito.
Ngimshiya kanjani mntanami?
okugcina
Abafethu shout out to intwana yami Sticks. Dlala
Dlala
Sticks.
Sticks.
Nacho.
Mtanayam, mtanayam.
Mntanami, mntanami. Mamela uze man zokufaka ipampers boy. Come on man.
mina I'll start with Team Express
Shout out to
Ntona yakhe, ntona yakhe.
Let Me Crazy intwana zami zonke lezi. The Rose has to be there
Yeah.
and then I'm stuck between
Ngabe stuck.
I'm stuck
What means in the boy
I'm
too?
stuck between Nacho no Babalo M.
Yo babala yini ngimkhohle
Okay.
I don't know.
Vocalism, okay. Nacho, nachos.
Yabona.
Yeah.
Ame
but-
yakhethela ntanam. Asibanika bhuti la
Yeah,
manje.
boy
And I
too.
throw. no?
I throw,
Yeah,
boy.
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Too.
yeah sure. yeah, sure.
Ayikhombe eqinile, ayikhombe eqinile.
Ijangaleyo. Ukuthi yeah. Pera my man. You know why? You
Yeah,
know why
yeah,
it's
shout
about
out to
menshini,
Majid,
ne?
yeah, shout
You know
out
why
to
it's about menshini, ne?
That little space.
Babuza baba, pendula.
Oh, Lime Crazy. He's gonna choose Lime Crazy. Oh, Lime Crazy.
I definitely will have to go with my boy. Lick me crazy.
Danko. Thank you.
Scott has to leave, not go. Why? Phela ngikhuluma ngenhliziyo la. Angithi ulime crazy la.
Oh,
Yeah, so,
uyamzala.
Ngloyali.
Shey.
Yeah. But then take nothing away from Scott.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
He's
yeah,
still
he's
as
into
good.
it.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean
Dope boy.
Causa.
Yeah, usibheke boy.
Colorito. Mkaziro.
Mkaziro.
Mkhozozo. Mamela.
Cousin pro. Utala kamama.
Intswembi.
Hayi, mnandi.
Intswembi. Shout out to him as well.
Hayi, mnandi.
Hayi intwana man. Everyone who's making
Abo
piano
Dappy.
grow bafethu.
Yeah,
Yabona,
Dappy.
Abo
Dappy,
Dappy.
yeah.
Yes.
Shout out Dappy.
Simpekile bafethu.
MC Cool. Ubani MC Cool ne?
Uncle
Thando.
MC.
Ah, ntwana. Yayikhuphukisa.
Mathandosi.
Abo Ricky Linyora.
bafethu,
Intwana
Ricky
zonke lezo.
Aha.
You
Amara
understand?
Umiyano ngathi he has a beef nyana with the
Ngobani?
new MCs.
Angeke. Mamsinya wathanda.
Why dog?
No, because he did mention at in the beginning
No,
of the show. that-
bengashuthi ama-MC like
Pera
like awamanje.
Okay,
Like bengikhuluma
okay.
ukuthini? Yabo thina masaqala.
Yeah.
Ayifana ukuthini? Like example like yabo Petty Cup. Ya ngoba nyamazi umnika imic. Uyangithola. Umuntu akazosikhathela
Nah,
usidinga.
nangaphandle kwalokho, if there's one thing ama-MC need to master,
Yes,
ane?
mina
If kudlala ingoma ka-cowboy,
Amelanga uqule phezulu kwengoma.
don't do shit. Angithi simamela u-cowboy.
Okay.
Angithi.
Uzobhora abantu,
And
end
then
of the day.
sekhona isigidonga ngithi. Nani futhi enye.
Kupu.
If uyadlala unkuli,
Ngibela.
ke.
You understand? Yeah,
Look,
irole
if you-
yakho.
But manje kuyadlala umkhawuzaza laphayana. Bathini bona aboScots?
Now usuphezulu kwaScott, sowulwa noScott manje.
Scott's mine.
So Team Express phezulu
You
kwaScott.
understand?
Yeah,
Sengathi you are
khaya.
going home. Aye.
Aye,
You
yabona.
understand? But if there's one thing bafethu, if there's one thing ama-MC, asibuyele nda. Ama-MC bafethu, mina personally, because I started as an MC,
Yes.
nawo ngiyabanikeza
Iruya.
like yeah, you understand, asibanikeze nama-flowers wabo bantswembu nabo bayiyenzile lento leyo
Into yabo,
intswembu
yes.
lighting lento abayithunayo, but they need to know when and how
And
to
how?
do it.
Yes. Phela nje.
Yeah. Yeah.
And a lot of people at group would be like, no, again, I need to guys know.
Yeah.
I can't MC on top of a vocal.
Yeah.
You understand
definitely.
into ebengikhala ngayo nami. I'm not saying ukuthi umuntu
Yeah. Yeah.
Because we are in theater.
Yeah,
ngoba
sure.
so nama ngisezwe ya.
Yeah, sure.
But anyway, we are so happy to have you guys here with us, Marco. So let's vale, guys.
Yeah, sure.
We have
Hey
to
mele
end it.
siuvalwa. Hayi wavala
I know, akazi nendlela.
Hayi yavala.
At next time nenze Shiny Part 2.
Nah.
But thank you very much for having us.
Yeah.
Siyabonga bafethu, shout out
Siyabonga.
bafethu.
Thank you.
Ku South Africa mhlaba wonke bafethu. Hey sina
Continue,
nesiyabonga. Hey mina
continue
ngiyazibonga.
supporting us. Phezu kwenye iphumile, phezu kwedladla. Join the challenge
TikTok,
ngale
yeah.
bheka mamela.
Best
Lalela dona. Phezu kwedladla, phezu kwenye.
Awu, mamela mntanami.
Phezu kombali usigegede. Sigcine simyeka idedele.
Phezu kwenye.
Mamela
On bafethu sonke bafethu. Uyawisa.
Yeah, Bafetu, thank you all for joining us again. This is our fourth podcast, ne?
It's a
Yeah.
I'm joking. Thank you so much for joining us on this
Siyabonga.
episode. My name is Kanye Mas Kanye Kanza Kanye Silamo Kans. And of course, I have
Yes. Well, Bafetu, this is up. Bye bye, Bafetu. This is up. What's _ you know. Let's move on.
Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you next week or next month or same time. Mara,
The
next
day
time,
Shuffler
to
decides
do
to
it
call
bigger and better.
us.
I'm your girl, Pindi Black, your host with the most classical with international dreams, and we always do it bigger, better, fresh, and always on point, baby. And we are the freshest to ever do it.
Important, she said. Nina Nyang excluded.
signing out. Bye, guys.
Mina kasi, yo.